Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we focus on the subtle difference between the modal verbs may and might. Both words help us express probability or possibility, but there are slight differences. The words may and might are modal verbs used to express possibility. They show that something could happen or be true, but it is not certain. May often shows a higher chance than might. Here are some examples. May is used when the chance is higher, or when asking for permission, like may I leave early or it may rain tomorrow. Might is used when the chance is lower or more uncertain, such as it might snow tonight or he might be at home. May expresses a probability between 50 to 70%, meaning something is somewhat likely. Might expresses a lower chance, about 20 to 40%, meaning it is less likely or more doubtful. We use may to suggest a possibility that is somewhat likely or to ask for permission politely. Might implies a possibility that is less certain or hypothetical. Both show possibility, but may is stronger. For example, it may rain this afternoon means it is a realistic possibility. It might snow in July is more uncertain or unlikely. May suggests things that can really happen. Might suggests things that are less sure or more imaginary. May can also express wishes, like may you have a great day. Might can be used for suggestions or hypothetical ideas, like we might as well start now. Both are polite ways to speak in formal or informal situations. Remember, may shows higher probability and is often used for permission. Might shows lower probability and discusses hypothetical situations. May is more formal and might is more casual. Use these modal verbs to express chances or ask politely.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.